What's up, everyone? Welcome to episode 10.
We're getting to painting.
First things first, we gotta caulk all of the seams. So we just caulked the whole thing, all of the seams, make sure that it's weatherproof before we got started on the painting.
All right. Shortly after we did that, we wanted to prep for paint. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have a pretty clean surface. So we pressure wash the outside, get all the dirt, grime off of it best you can, and then we let that air dry. Now that we've pressure washed the outside, next thing we want to do, probably the most important step and most tedious part of painting, is we want to prep. So taping up all the windows, covering up all of the doors, everything that we don't want to get our exterior paint, we're making sure we get a good seal over that to protect it. Had a big brush, like a 4-inch brush, little like handheld paint holder, paper, and then again some painter's tape. So for us, as you've seen, we have an airless paint sprayer. It's a Graco X5. If you're getting ready to paint an exterior home or exterior project, we would highly recommend getting an airless paint sprayer. It makes it very quick work. All right, coat 1 is on. We got a little chicken towards the door because we're gonna stain wood. It's gonna have to be hand painted or rolled. We didn't paint fully all the corners because
That's also gonna be painted white.
and my better half was like, no, save your paint. So that's what I've done because I'm a great listener and she gives great advice. So yeah, coat 1 is done. Did not cover the face nearly as much as the last time when we painted.
A little bit on the nose.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Well. Coat 1, we're happy. Coat 2, soon. And she's back.
Surprise!
All right, so in order to know how much paint you need, it is a very simple math problem. All you do is you go to your walls, take your width and your height, multiply it together to get the square footage, and you'll do that for each wall. And then we normally guess about 15 to 20% extra. In this case, we did about 20% extra, not only for any waste that we get from the actual paint sprayer, but also the color that we chose is discontinued. So we wanted to make sure that we had some leftovers in case we need to do touch up or anything down the road.
Speaking of color, what made us choose our color is matching our house. So we did the same exact color we used for our exterior of our house, and we used white for all of the like accent pieces on our house. So we used the same exact colors just so that they would match. That was how we decided it.
All right, we got the whole front of the house is done.
This is the final product. We're really happy with how it turned out. We got the custom trim over this window. Kept with the theme. We just left it nice and abstract. So yeah, we're happy. We're thrilled. Don't you love how it looks?
Love it.
So, as I said a second ago, we installed our trim without painting them, which is not the best route to go.
So if you know the colors that you're gonna go with, highly suggest paint the trim before you actually attach it, and then you can just tape over that when you get the full siding color. And I think that would be a lot faster, and your carpal tunnel will be less.
It's also a lot easier to come back with a little touch-up brush than to have to paint 16 feet up in the air to get your corner trim.
One of the things that we did use also was just like a tiny little detail brush, because we had to get those edges and we didn't want to accidentally hit the green on the siding.
So we became Picasso.
So it may look like it's complete on the outside, but the inside is still a show. So next week we will be
Tackling interior walls.
let's get excited.
Give me a kiss. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
What do you guys say?
Say subscribe.